Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost Glovewort 1. This crucial material is found in various catacombs and crypts across the lands between. You'll need it to enhance your spirit ashes, making your spectral allies much stronger in combat. Keep an eye out for its distinctive glow in the darker corners of these underground areas. It's a vital component for any tarnished seeking to empower their summons. For early access to Ghost Glovewort 1, head to the Limgrave Catacombs. You can find several pieces there, which is perfect for giving your spirit ashes an initial boost. Another great spot is the Stormfoot Catacombs, also located in Limgrave. Thoroughly exploring these first few dungeons will provide you with a good starting supply of this essential item. When farming, remember that most catacombs offer around 3 to 5 pieces of Ghost Glovewort 1. Don't forget that defeating the dungeon boss often opens up new sections or pathways, potentially leading to more of these valuable plants. While most items do not respawn, exploring new catacombs is the most reliable way to gather more. Once you've collected enough Ghost Glovewort 1, take it to Roderica at the Round Table Hold. She is the spirit tuner who will use this material, along with some runes, to upgrade your spirit ashes. Each upgrade level makes your summoned allies much more formidable, boosting their health and damage output, which is crucial for challenging encounters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.